This apple cinnamon porridge is warm, creamy, and naturally sweet. The coziest little vegan breakfast bowl to wake up to on a slow, unhurried morning. You simmer fine oats with applesauce, plant milk, and a real cinnamon stick. Then crown the whole bowl with buttery apples caramelized in maple and vanilla. Cook the fine oats with a cinnamon stick in plant milk, stirring for 5 to 7 minutes until thick and creamy. Peel your apples and dice them into small, even cubes. Sauté the apple cubes in coconut oil, then add cinnamon, maple, and vanilla and caramelize for 5 to 7 minutes. Spoon the creamy porridge into a bowl and pile the warm caramelized apples on top with raisins and almonds. Finish it with a little more cinnamon and maple. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.